Are you guys gonna have sides so that like it will bounce off?
Yes, that was because.
No, we can do an upper game. What's the first thing we have enough power to go in?
What kind of angle you have there?
Nice.
That's a right angle. It depends on the way you turn. Knees down. Make this and this. I need to take or somehow secure. Knees right.
We need two angles, two singles, and two right angles, and perpendicular. So, and a perpendicular. No, and
I think I'll push a blower right here.
I'm the biggest piece of Alright, this is my first.
but if it hits a wall, I get a jump. I get a jump
Go that way. Get the keeper. Be at the middle part. We'll each help each other. We gotta help Nathan. So here's the plan. You help the beginning, I'll help the middle, and Jackson help the end. No, he went to left. Just get it out. Oh, you got. Okay, one, two. You hit it. If you make it, you can do it.
Can I ask you, how many acute angles do you have in your mini golf?
I think I'd say about like
Only two? Where at?
like these aren't like.
Yep.
Try to get it into the
And like both, there's two sides of them, and they're both 45.
45.
And my symmetry is the cool meters. We already cut them in half.
Okay. Good. How do you think your mini golf's working so far?
Nice one.
I'm not gonna land it. But nobody returns. How many?
4.
3? Have you tried it yet?
Alright, what kind of angles do we have
So we try to have fun, but then still have people be like, this is going to fail.
Good job. I love it. Thank you guys.